Hello and welcome to the Little Gasthaus, the German sausage maker. Today we make a sausage for America, so stay tuned. So what makes it an American sausage? Well, the American sausage usually coarse. The Americans experiment with the spices a lot. The Germans are a little bit more solid and stay with what their experience said tastes the best for us. So it doesn't mean that the American taste is not good, but you just got a different taste. You usually get it more salty or much more sweet, like the cake is much more sweet than ours. So that's the main difference. Well, what else? Yeah, you got more fruits and this sour, like the vinegar. They're not much coming in the sausage, of course, but even there, I'm sure there are recipes with some in there. And well, let's see how my American sausage looks like. It's more a twist between American and German. Okay, these are the ingredients. We got the pork shoulder, we got smoked bacon, we got black pepper, we got garlic powder, we got paprika powder. The recipe says smoked paprika. I only have the hot paprika, so I put less in it. It's only half, because otherwise it would be probably too hot. And we got some mustard seeds ground, and the salt. You will find the amount in the recipe in the description. And of course, casing. The casing is hung casing. This is 20 to 30 millimeter, so that's a smaller hung casing. They are bigger than this one. Okay, let's get started. So first we're gonna mix the meat with the spices. I need a little bit bigger bowl. I slightly froze the meat. Actually, it's not frozen anymore. Mix with the spices and put it in the grinder. Okay, now I put some back in there. Oh, so I got everything cut. Okay, that's it. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the knife. See, we don't want to throw that away. So this is ground too. Can use that. I'm going to mix that a little bit. And I put a little barbecue sauce in there. 1 or 2 teaspoons, doesn't matter. This is bacon jalapeno. I don't know if you can see it. But whatever you got, put in there. Just to make it a little bit more flexible. We add a little bit of ice water to get it even more flexible, so it goes easier through a stuffer. Spices are smelling already good. Set up the stuffer. Okay, we're going to fill it. I'm sure you know how that works. Okay, it's maybe half. Okay, we have to get the casing. We'll have to look for the start and finish. It's a little bit longer than actually needed. Okay. Important is put the casing in warm water. It's very important so it gets flexible. Otherwise you get always problems with getting it on the tube. Like I do. Put that back into the salt. That's some. Yeah, get some air in there. Okay. We are done already. Got my picker here. Okay, I'm gonna make some short ones. I'm always having problems to get them the same size. This one is shorter. Gee. But who cares? So American sausage, I'm gonna let them rest for a day. Gonna cook them or put them on the grill tomorrow and see what they look like. Still got some air pockets in there. I turn them around, see if it is a little bit more space, but it doesn't matter too much, so just have to wait. Well, start looking good. Well, I would say they are done. Looking good. Try some. Well, that's it. A American Bratwurst my way. Was a bit big bite. Bratwurst for America. Well, it's my way. So try it out. Maybe you like it, maybe not. Let me know. And thanks for watching, and I see you back next time. The Little Gasthaus and the German sausage maker. Bye bye.